Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to be making this wild contraption today. So what is this? This is a compost sifter. So in a little, I'll add a little time-lapse video of the live stream from Twitch where we built this. So I didn't have any plans going into it. I saw a few other YouTube videos that have built compost sifters, but kind of just built it as we went. I found this little sheeting here on a walk. We repurposed a 5-gallon bucket, used some PVC wood, used some side panels from a fence, and so forth. So I had that pile of compost over here in the corner, and I want to make a compost sifter in order to separate the thicker stuff from the thinner stuff. So here, we got some compost here, and you have still some stuff that needs to be eaten a little bit more in here. So how do we separate this? We make a little sifting device like this, and then we can have some dirt for the compost. So after the stream, I did make some alterations to it. We tested a little bit in the stream, and it wasn't perfect. And I even made enough alterations to be able to make it manual. Well, not manual, but automatic. So I use my little drill here with a little 19mm attachment, and I can plug this in right here like this, and it can spin. So just like this, I hold the button down really slow, and it sips and goes through. So to just go over some things I did here, so I just attached this bolt to this end of this PVC pipe that I have going down through the middle here. So it goes all the way down through the middle. And if you look inside there, I have 2 supports going on each side in the pipe, the PVC pipe, which I actually repurposed from an old green screen mount that I built a long time ago. But I have a new mount now for my green screen, so it works great. So I just drilled that hole right down the middle. And then there's 2 pieces of pallet wood on the side to act as support. And then I attached it via some screws and via some zip ties, and it holds together pretty well. So the hardest part was probably cutting the Lowe's bucket in half. So I did notice, so when I first built this, I put that 2x4 piece at the end right here. And I realized I wanted it to be a little bit further in to make it easier to load. And then I also put this old cat litter bucket down there to catch anything that drops out the bottom. And then there's an old piece of fence for the sides. And then down here at this end, all I have is the end of the PVC pipe sitting into the end. So as this turns, it just sits in that little groove right there and pushes against that, and it seems to work fine. And then the larger stuff will come out this end of the compost over here. So I just load it like this and dump it in there. And we just slowly turn this. One thing I didn't mention beforehand is that the top side here is 4 inches taller than the bottom side. So this stuff will slowly work its way to the other end. I do notice that I need to keep this collection bin a little bit more to the left because it shoots out that side over there a little more. All right, let's get through this bucket. Alrighty, we're on the last couple scoops here. So as you can see throughout it, I got my technique down a little better. When I got to the bottom of this bin here, got a little wet, so you can see how it started sticking to the sides a bit. But overall, not too bad. So it does make a little squeaky sound, but I think that's okay. All right, looks like we are done. I have to fix this. It looks like it slipped at the end and now it's spinning on the inside. So I just have to attach that bolt in there a little better and design that a little better. So we shall see how that goes. But let's check out the output and see what happened here. Let's slide out our tub and see what our product is. Wow, look at that dirt. So this looks like it came out perfect. Look how fine that is. So this is exactly how I want it. This is going to be great for plants. Even if I had a little earthworm colony, it'd be great for that as well. And then let's look at what came out the other end. So then if you look down here, all this stuff is much larger. So I did a great job at separating it. So we started with this full tub right here. From that, we got out that much dirt. So not too bad of a separation. And then over here, we got about that much of the large stuff that came out the other end. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to add that to my current compost pile. So this can cook down even more. So after the video is done recording, so I'll turn and flip that compost pile and add this fresh stuff to it. So with the fresh grass and that, this will start cooking a lot better now. But I have 2 more tubs to go through over there yet from earlier summer compost, and those will equal things like this. So I should get some good dirt out of this. All right, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this little build video today. I know I built most of it live on stream, but I wanted to make this video just to show the progress. Oh, look, Watson, do you want to come say hi? Come here, Watson, come here. And Watson approves of it. Look, come say hi. It can't be a good video without Watson here too. So he approves of the sifter. I know the sifter isn't pretty, but does it have to be pretty for its purpose? No. Everything I found for it was found on the street and was scrap wood in the garage, or I guess, or repurposed. Like the PVC pipe was an old frame I had around the house. So I actually didn't spend $1 on this project. It was a fun Sunday. It ended up coming up very, very nicely. Hey buddy, he wants dinner. It's dinner time. The sun is setting here and he knows it's dinner time. So that's what he's bothering me for. And he also wants the dirt on me too. But yeah, if you have any questions on this project, feel free to come by one of my live streams on Twitch or leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. But with that, thank you all for watching and hopefully see you next time. All right, have a great day and bye-bye.